Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome to Web3 Insights. Okay, now in this channel, we discuss airdrops, the blockchain, and AI insights. Okay, so today I'm bringing you another airdrop, potential airdrop. No, that actually this is a confirmed airdrop. Okay, and the airdrop is coming from a project called Abstract. Okay, so what is Abstract? Abstract is a layer 2 project. Actually, let me go to the docs. Okay, so as you can see, it's a layer 2. All right, Abstract is a layer 2 network built on top of Ethereum. So, and it's designed to securely power consumer facing blockchain applications. Right. So basically, layer twos are simply, networks or chains built on top of the Ethereum chain. Okay. So the idea is, the reason is because Ethereum is said to be a very secure network. Okay, and so a layer twos, they kind of take advantage of that security, and so most projects now they build on top of that. But we'll talk more about layer twos in the future. Okay, so that's Abstract, and I'm just on the docs page, documentation page. All these projects, when we look at them, you find they've got a documentation page where they talk about what the project is about. You can see they give you an introduction, what they're planning to do and all that. Okay, so I'll try and put links to this documentation when I finish the video. Okay, so back to Abstract. Okay, so we know, well, there's an airdrop coming now. How do we know? Because it's there on the Twitter or X, now X. Also, it's confirmed here on CryptoRank, where you can see, sometimes you can see funding and all that. Okay. Okay, so back here, so how do you get exposure to this airdrop? Okay, so the first thing, okay, so me, I did this yesterday. First thing you want to do is to join the waitlist. Okay, join the waitlist. So this is what you do. You come here, simply put your email. Okay, and simply put your email, and then confirm. They'll send you a code to verify, and there's a badge that you kind of receive after. Okay, but I would recommend everyone to start joining the wait list. Okay, so join the wait list by providing your email. That's the starting point. Okay, then so now, what else can you do to increase your chances of receiving this airdrop? Okay, now if you come to the Twitter X, okay, so here you find always there's more information regarding this. Now they're saying here coming January 25, so mainnet. Okay, so in other words, they're launching, because this is a project that has not launched yet. Okay, so mainnet, that means they are about to launch. So look, January 25, 2025, they're coming. And 15 hours ago, they just posted 3 days. Now, I'm not 100% sure what this means, but chances it's launching in 3 days' time. Okay. Now, so what else can you do to increase eligibility for airdrop? So again, come to the Twitter. Okay, you can see here introducing abstract incentives. Now, this is a keyword. These are keywords in in the airdrop. These are keywords in the airdrop world. Okay, so because once you hear the word incentive, you know there's a reward, and that reward we call those airdrops. Okay, so introducing airdrops, abstract incentive, right? So it says have fun on chain and earn XP. It's as simple as that, right? More information. So they give you the information here. So live at mainnet. So this once mainnet comes, you see these things. Can you see these badges? These badges they're gonna be giving. So once mainnet, which is maybe in 3 days, if that's correct, I don't know. But once that's when you start interacting. As it is now, because the chain is not live, there's nothing we can really do despite the despite joining the waitlist. Okay, so so moving on, let's have a look at the you see the good thing with the crypto space, there's a lot of information for those that look for it and those that want to interact. That's why I like crypto, because the people there, they share, it's teamwork, everyone, no matter how small or big you are all welcome, because it's one place that is very it kind of allows everyone from any background to participate and access, these kind of projects. Okay, so says here incentives for users. So users are like, people like myself who are not builders, who are not developers. And then you've got the builders. These are like, the software people, the developers, creators. Yeah. So it says incentives for users, builders, and creators have have typically been short-sighted, fostering simple users, demotivating builders, and excluding creators. So basically, what they're saying is that the incentives or the way other projects structure their incentives or how they do their airdrops is kind of demotivating, because some of them you do a lot of tasks. Sometimes we provide loads of monies, still to be you're not rewarded. So, and they say here problems with incentives, they lead to only short-term users, because sometimes people just come, and once the airdrop comes, they leave the project. They do not support builders. They do not lead to the long-term growth of the chain or its apps. They incentivize simple interactions and metrics. Okay, so they've identified certain problems, which they are saying in their campaign, in the campaigns or the airdrop strategy, they're going to try and avoid that. So here on Abstract Mainnet, users and creators using Abstract apps and streaming via the Abstract global wallet will be earning XP. So XP, basically, this is like some points system that will convert to the token, or to the yes, to the or the coin. Builders will receive awards from the success of their apps. Your XP updates every Monday, rewarding your last week's on-chain activity. So you're going to be rewarded for your on-chain activity. Okay, and you see here, builders creating apps, developing. Right. Anyway, I don't want to make this a long video, so I'll put links to this. Okay, so that you can go through this. Okay, so there's more information. Abstract users earn XP by engaging with the chain and having fun. We strongly believe that exploring Abstract ecosystem without being forced to do specific actions is key to sustainable ecosystem. So in other words, I'm not expecting those kind of other tasks that we see with other projects, where you have to do loads of things and spend loads of time. So another thing, users on Abstract will be able to earn XP through badges for their participation. So you get them badges. There are 3 types of badges: flash badges, weekly badges, and secret badges, right? So this is what you then get through the interactions that you do. Okay, and then the builders, they get 3 different types of awards. Okay, so more about that, I mean, I'll put links for that. Okay, now what else do I want to share? So this is a confirmed airdrop. Okay, this is a confirmed airdrop, and what it means is that it's an opportunity for us because we are early. The project is not launched. The XP, they haven't started this campaign of giving people XP, which will turn into points. It has not even started. So I would put this on the radar. I would put this like on a watch list. You want to be there the day they launch, and the launch date will be put on the X or on the Twitter site. On the Twitter, they will put the launch date. Okay, so don't sleep on this. Yeah, this is something you can actually. It's always because with airdrops, the earlier you get in, the higher the chance of a bigger airdrop. So I wouldn't sleep on this. Okay. That being said, I'm not a financial advisor, right? So whatever I'm saying, this is for educational entertainment purposes. Okay. So remember that with these kind of projects, with crypto, with all the things that I'm saying, do your own research. Okay. You have to do your own research. And that's another important aspect. I'm just giving you educational content. Now, that being said, maybe the last thing I'll share. So that's, you know, this, I think this will be one of the best ways of, you know, setting yourself up for this airdrop. This part of, getting the XP, interacting with the chain, and within the chain there will be dApps or projects that will build within this on this project or chain. You want to interact with all those projects as well, with as many as you can, because that even gives you more XP, and it gets you to get a bigger portion of the airdrop. Okay, so another way to get exposure, okay, although this is not really kind of confirmed from the abstract, is normally with most airdrops, most projects, they have an NFT that is linked to the airdrop. Okay, and there's this one here called Abstract Penguins. Okay, so you can come to the X. Okay, so again, so Abstract Penguins, you can see here our campaign is live. Abstract Peng .xyz. That's the website. So use this referral code, connect your wallet, claim your badges and points, blah blah blah. So it's very simple. Drop your codes here. So again, I'm gonna try and get this that the NFTs associated with that. Okay. So with that, I'm going to end the video today. Yeah, yeah, that's good. So I'm happy that today's video is not that long. I'm trying to make these videos a bit shorter, uh, you know. So yeah, all right. So I hope you've enjoyed, the video and the content. So yeah, inviting you once again to, come and join the waitlist here. Join the waitlist, and so that we get eligibility. It's very, very important. So okay, that's the end of the video, and thank you to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you are learning. I'll be bringing another video sometime tomorrow. Okay, thank you everyone.